Setting up accounts on marketing platforms. How to set up your business on Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Setting up accounts on marketing platforms is the first step to build your online presence. Here's how to do it right. First point, Instagram. Create a business account. Use a clear profile picture, preferably your logo. Write an engaging bio that highlights your unique selling point, USP. For example, eco-friendly packaging solutions for a sustainable future. Second point, LinkedIn. Set up a company page. Add all the key details like industry, locations, and website. Share valuable content to connect with B2B customers. Third point, YouTube. Create a branded channel. Use your logo and a professional banner image. Plan content categories such as tutorials, testimonials, and behind the scenes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.